हेलो लिसनर्स। तो चैप्टर स्टार्ट करते हैं हम चैप्टर 8, प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया नेटवर्क ऑफ इंडिया। प्रोटेक्टेड areas are those in which the human occupation or at least the exploitation of the resources is limited. The definition has been widely accepted across the regional and the global framework has been provided by the International Union of Conservation of Nature IUCN in its categorization guidelines for protected area. There are several kinds of protected areas which vary by level of the protection depending on the enable law by each country or the regulation of the international organization involved. The term protected area also included marine protected areas, the boundaries of which include some areas of ocean, and the transboundaries protected areas that overlap the multiple countries, which remove the borders inside the areas of conservation and the economic purposes. The National Board for Wildlife NBWL, chaired by the Prime Minister of India, provide for the policy framework for wildlife conservation in the country. India's conservation planning is based on the philosophy of identifying and protecting representative with wildlife habitat across the all ecosystem. The Indian Constitution entitled the subject of forest and wildlife in the concurrent list. Wildlife sanctuaries. Any area other than the area comprises with any reserve forest or the terrestrial water can be notified by the state government to constitute as a sanctuary if such area is of adequate ecological, faunal, floral, geomorphological, natural, or geological significance for the purpose of protecting, propagate, or developing wildlife or its environment. Some restrictions, human activities are allowed inside the sanctuaries areas. There are 553 existing wildlife sanctuaries in India, covering an area of 1,90,776 kilometer squares, which is 3.64% of the geographical area of a country. National Wildlife Database, December 2019. National parks, an area whether within a sanctuary or not, can be notified by the state government to be constituted as a national park by reason of its ecological, faunal, floral, geomorphological, geological association or importance needed to for the purpose of the proper protecting and propagating or developing wildlife therein or its environment. No human activities is permitted inside the national park except for the ones permitted by the chief wildlife sorry permitted by the chief wildlife warden of the state. There are 101 existing national park in India, covering an area of 40,564 kilometer square, which is 1.23% of the geographical area of the country. National Wildlife Database, December 2019. Wildlife sanctuary, comparison between wildlife sanctuaries and national park. Wildlife sanctuary is, as the name implies, is a place that is reserved exclusively for the wildlife use, which include animal, reptiles, insect, bird, etc. Wild animals, especially those in danger of extinct and the rare ones, so that they can live in a peace of a lifetime and keep their population viable. National Park. National Park provide protection to the entire ecosystem, that is flora and fauna, landscape, etc. of the region. That National Park not only conserve wildlife but also provide a diversion of environment and landscape heritage in a manner does not harm it in order to provide enjoyment of to the future generation. uh, Wildlife sanctuary, it has relatively less restrictions and it open to people without the requirement of the official permission. Second, a national park. National park are given in greater degree of protection with human activity greatly restricted. Third, it does not fix boundaries and the human activities are permitted to a specific limit. Third, a national park boundaries are fixed by the administration. Only certain area can be visited and only activities permitted by the chief wild warden of the state are allowed in the park. Similarities includes Wildlife Protection Act WPA of 1972 provide for the declaration of the national park by the state government. In addition to the declaration of the wildlife sanctuary, the central government may also declare wildlife sanctuary and national park under certain conditions. Topic number 8.4, Marine Protected Area and Marine Protected Area MPA is essential space in an ocean where human activities are more strictly regulated than the surrounding water. Similar to the park we have on land, have our places are given a special protection for the natural or historical marine resources by the local, state, terrestrial, native, regional, or national authority. The MPA in marine environment in India are primarily classified into following category. Category 1. This cover national park and the sanctuaries have living and have having entire area in intertidal, subtidal and mangrove coral reefs, cracks, seagrass bed, algal beds, estuaries, lagoons. Category second. This include island which are major part of the marine ecology ecosystem and some part in terrestrial ecosystem. Third category third a this include sandy beaches beyond the interstitial line but the occasionally interact with the seawater. D category third B. This include evergreen or semi-evergreen forest island. The marine protected area MPA in India comprise of 13 national park and wildlife sanctuaries designated under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, encompasses a few of the country richness coastal habitat. Topic number 8.5, Community Reserve Conservation reserves and community reserve in India are termed denoting protected area of India, a protected area of India which typically act as a buffer zone to the connectors and migrations corridor between the established national park, wildlife sanctuary, and reserved and protected forest of India. Such area are designated as a conservation area if they are uninhabited and completely owned by the government of India, but used for substances by communities and the community area if a part of the land are privately owned. There are these protected area category were first introduced in 90 in the Wildlife Protection Amendment Act 2002. The amendment of the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. This category were added because of reduced protection in and the around existing or proposed protecting area due to the private ownership of the land and the land use. Topic number 8.6, Regulation Law related to protected area PAS are the constituted are and governed under the provision of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, which are have been amended from the time to time with the changing around the realities concerning wildlife crime control and PAS management. Implementation of this act is further complemented by the other acts with India Forest Act 1927, Forest Conservation Act 1918, Environment Protection Act 1986, and the Biological Diversity Act 2002, and the Scheduled Tribe and Other Traditional Forest Dwellers Recognition of the Forest Right Act 2006, in order to strengthen and the synchronizing global wildlife conservation effort in India as a part two major international conventions or in convention which convention on the international trade in endangered species of the wild fauna and the flora. Cities International Union of the Conservation of the Natural IUC and International Convention for the Regulation of the Whaling, UNESCO World Heritage Committee and Convention on Migratory Species CMS. The Wildlife Crime Control Bureau of the central government supplemented the effort of the provincial government in the wildlife crime control through the enforcement of the CITES and the control of wildlife crimes having a cross-border, interstate and international ramification. Topic number 8.7, other areas of important for conservation. Topic number 8.7.1, eco sensitive zones. The ESZ are the ecological important area notified under the Environmental Protecting Act 19 Protecting Act to be protected from industry pollution and unregulated development. I just repeat the eco-sensitive zones. The ECZ are the ecological important area notified under the Environmental Protection Act to be protected from the industrial pollution and unregulated development. According to the Environmental Protection Act 1986, the government can be prohibited industries operations such as mining, sand quarrying, and building thermal power plant in sensitive areas. To categorize an area as an ecological sensitive, the government look at the topography, climate, and the rainfall, land use and the land cover, roads and settlement, human population, biodiversity corridor, and delta plant and animal species. As per the order of the Supreme Court, no project can be allowed within 10 kilometers of the boundaries of the national park and sanctuaries without the approval of the National Board of the Wildlife and the NBWL, the highest body on wildlife regulatory issue, unless a site-specific eco-sensitive zones (ESZ) is notified around that park or sanctuary. Purpose for declaring ESZ around national parks and sanctuary is to create some kind of shock absorber for the protected area. They would also act as a transition zone that from the area of high protection of area involving lesser protective area. The activities in ESZ would be regulated nature rather by the prohibited nature unless and otherwise so required. Extent of ESZ, the width of the ESZ, and the type of regulation would differ from one protected area to other. However, as a general principle, the width of the ESZ could go up to 10 km around a PA may not be uniform all around it as provided in the Wildlife Conservation Strategy 2002 in a case to where sensitive corridor connectivity and ecologically important patches crucial for the landscape linkage are even beyond 10 km with these should be included in ESZ. The nature of activity in ESZ, while some of the activities could be allowed in all the ESA, other will be need be regulated, prohibited. However, which activity can be regulated or prohibited, and to what extent would have to be a PA specify. There are three category of activity: prohibited, commercial, mining, populating industries, major hydroelectricity project etc restricted with safeguard regulated felling of trees, establishment of hotel and resort, a drastic challenge of the agriculture system, widening of the road, introduction of exotic species, permissible rainwater harvesting, organic farming, ongoing agricultural practice etc. Topic number 8.7.2, coastal regulation zone C are geared to conserve and protect coastal environment and to protect sustainable development based on the scientific principle. Ministry of Environment and the Forest and Climate Change MOEFCC under the Environmental Protection Act 1986 notified the CRZ notification in 1991, frequently revised in 2011 and 2008. CRZ, the MOEFCC declared the coastal stretches and the weather areas up to terrestrial water limit, excluding the inland of Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep, and the marine area surrounding these island as coastal regulation zones as under land area from the high tide lines. HTL to 500 MTS on the landward side, land across land area between HTL to 15 MTS or wide to the creek, whichever is less on the landward side along the tidal influenced water bodies connected to sea. The intertidal zones, i.e., land area between the HTL and the low tide lane LTL, the water and the bed area between LTL to be terrestrial water limit 12 nautical miles in NM in caves of the sea and the water and the bed area between LTL at the bank of the LTL on the opposite side of the bank of tidal influenced water bodies. Classification of CRZ 1 area are environmentally most critical and are classified are under CRZ1A ecologically sensitive area and geomorphological feature which play a role the maintaining the integrity of the coastal with mangrove coral and coral reef and sand dunes biological activities mud flat salt marshes turtle nesting ground protecting area etc CRZ1B the integral zones CRZ2 developed land area up to or close to shore lane within the existing multiple municipal limit or in the other existing largely designed urban area CRZ third land areas that are relatively undisturbed and undistributed with the rural area etc those do not fall under CRZ. Second, CRZ third is further classified as CRZ third a area with population density more than 2,161 per square kilometer as per the 2011 census. CRZ third B area with the population density of less than 2,161 per square kilometer as per the 2011 census. CRZ4 it constitute the water area. The further classification as CRZ 4A the water areas and the seabed area between the LTL up to the 12 nautical miles on the seaward side. CRZ4B the water area and the bed area between LTL at the bank of the tidal influenced water body to the LTL on the opposite side of the bank extending from the mouth of the water body of the at the sea up to the influence of the tide i.e. salinity of the 5 part per thousand ppt during the driest season of the year. Silent feature of the coastal regulation June CRJ notification 2018 easing FSI norms. The notification defreeze the restriction imposed on floor is a space index FSI or the floor area ratio FAR under the CRZ 2011 is in accordance to 1991 development control regulation DCR level. No development zones and DZ reduces for density populated areas for CRZ 3 areas are CRZ 3 area shall be NDZ of 15 meter from the HTL on the landward side as against 200 meter from the HTL stipulated in CRZ notification 2011. CRZ 3B area shall continue to have an NDZ of the 200 meter from HTL tourism infrastructure for the basic amenities to be promoted. The notification allowed for the temporary tourism facilities such as sack, toilet block changes, norm pupil, change room, drink water facilities etc on beaches at the minimum distance of 10 meter from HTL. Such temporary tourism facilities are also permissible in the NDZ of the CRZ3 areas. CRZ clearance is streamlined. CRZ clearance are need only for project location of in CRZ first and CRZ4 stated to have power for clearance WRT CRZ second and third with necessary guidelines. NDZ of 20 meters has been stipulated for the all island in the wake of the space limited and unique geography and to bring uniformity in treatment of such region. All ecological sensitive area have been accorded special importance through specific guidelines related to their conservation and management plans. Pollution abatement has been accorded special focus by permitting construction of the treatment facilities in CRZ first B area subjected to necessary safeguard. Defense and strategic project has been accorded necessary dispensation CRZ help in reducing the ecological vulnerability through regulated activities in ecological most sensitive areas. CRZ first a regulated activity such as ecotourism subject to approved coastal zone management plan. CZMPS exceptional construction of public utility in the mangrove buffer etc. Construction of the road and road on stilt by way of the reclamation should be permitted only in the exceptional case for defense and strategic purpose and the public utilization subject to be detailed marine terrestrial environmental impact assessment to be recommended by the coastal zones management authority and approved by the MOEFCCC. Compensatory plantation of the mangrove minimum 3 times the mangrove area affected described cut area requiring special consideration in the CRZ crucial vulnerable coastal area CBCA Sundarban region of the West Bengal and other ecological sensitive areas identified as under Environmental Protection Act 1986 such as the Gulf of Khambat and Gulf of Kutch in the Gujarat, Malvan, Arch Ratnagiri in Maharashtra, Karwar and Kondapur in Karnataka, Bamdaman in Kerala, Gulf of Mannar in the Tamil Nadu, Bhatarkhanika in Odisha, Koringa, East Godavari and Krishna in Andhra Pradesh shall be treated as CBCA and managed with the involvement of the coastal community, including fisheries folk who depend on the coastal resources for their sustainable livelihood. CRZ for the inland backwater, island along the mainland coast. CRZ falling within a municipal limit of the Greater Mumbai. Benefits enhanced activities in the coastal regional, thereby promoting economic growth while also respecting the conservation principle of the coastal region. Boost tourism in terms of the more activities, more infrastructure, and more opportunities in a creation employment opportunities, greater opportunities for the development of the densely populated areas in CRZs, the greater opportunities for the development from population area in the CRZ. The CRZ in 2018 is also synchronized with the thrust being given to port lead industrialization and the coastal economic zone project in additional opportunities for affordable housing, which will benefit not only the housing sector but the people at the large looking at for shelters. It is expected to rejunctional for the coastal areas while reducing these vulnerabilities concern. The new notification are the done away from with the diluted with the straightened restriction in place at the coastal areas. The emphasis of the new CRGS norms is on promoting of tourism facilities, quicker dispensation of the defense and the strategic project and liberal licensing for the installation treatment plant. Eco-sensitive region could see flurry of the construction activities, thereby the hampering the coastal ecosystem and the biodiversity. The notification violates the balance between the ecosystem and development. The mandatory 15-meter buffer zone of the mangrove forest in a private land with an expanse or the more than 1,000 square kilometer has been done away with. The fishermen worried that the entry of the tourism sector will attract the real estate lobbies who will eventually displace the coastal community and then deny them to the access the seas. Further, the direction of NDZ is done without taking considered of sea level rise. Coastal lines is already vulnerable due to erosion, freshwater crisis, and loss of the livelihood. The new changes will increase this vulnerability and promote commercialization of the cost. The hazardous line mapping by the Survey of India is, however, has been delinked from the CRGES regulatory regime and will use only as a tool for the disaster management and planning, adaptive and the mitigation measures. The treatment facility allowed in CRZ1 to reduce coastal population means several ecological fragile area will have been sewage treatment plant transferring population from land to sea. The notification permit activities like reclamation of the land for commercial activities, interference with the sand dunes, large scale recreation and drawing of the groundwater within the 200 to 500 meter from the HTL, which is which is detrimental to the coastal ecology, and that will be displace the local communities and affect the biodiversity. The sustainable management depend on the nature of the social system comprises political, economic, and industrial infrastructure and is linkage with the knowledge about the coastal system as well as local community. India need to be moved from the purely regulated approach toward an integral coastal zones management (ICZM). Topic number 8.7.3 Scattered groves in India. Scattered groves comprises of patches of the forest or natural vegetation from a new trees to forest of several acres that are usually dedicated to local risk deities. Example Ayanas and Amans or the tree spirited when Vanaviditis. These species are protected by the local community because of their religious belief and traditional ritual and that run through the several generations. This degree of sanitity of the scared forest varies from one group to another. In some forests, even the dry foliage and fallen fruit are not touched. People believe that any kind of disturbance will offend the local deity, causing diseases, natural calamity, or failure of crop. For example, Garo and the Khasi tribe of the northern eastern India completely prohibited any human interference in the sacred groves. In other words, dead wood or the dried leaves may be picked up, but the lived tree or the off branches never cut. For example, Gond of the central India prohibited the cutting of the tree but allowed fallen part to be used. Topic number 8.7.3.1 Classification of scared groups. Traditional scared groups, it is the place where the village deities reside who is represented by an elementary symbol. Temple groups, here a group is created around a temple and conserved grove around the burial or the sedimentation ground. Topic number 8.7.3.2 Ecological significance. Conservation of biodiversity. The scared group are the important respiratory of the flora and the faunal diversity that have been conserved by the local community in the sustainable manner. They are often the last refuge to endemic species in the geographical region. Recharge of aquifer. The grove are often associated with the pond, streams, or springs, which help to meet the water requirement of the local people. The vegetative cover also help in the recharging the aquifer. Soil conservation. The vegetation cover of the scared groves improve the soil stability of the area and also prevent soil erosion. Topic number 8.7.3.3 Distribution of scared groves in India. In India, scared groves are the found all over the country and evidently along the western ghat in the state of Kerala and Karnataka. Also, there has been no comprehensive study on the tree scared groves on the entire country. Experts estimate that a total number of scared groves in India could be in a range 100,000 to 150,000. List of scared groves. State located term for scared groves. Arunachal Pradesh. Parihartvanas. Arunachal Pradesh. Gumpa Forest. Scared groves attached to Buddhist monasteries. Goa. Daurai. Pan. Jharkhand. Sarana. Kerala. Kav. Sarvakawa. Maharashtra. Dawarai. Devarathi. Dudgudi, Manipur, Gomko, Polhak, Scared Bamboo Reserves, Meghalaya, Ki Law, Luangdha, Ki Law, Quantang, Ki Kong Niong, Pondicherry, Koval Kadu, Rajasthan, Oren, Kanikeres, Jogmaya, Tamil Nadu, Swami Sola, Koli Kadu, Uttarakhand, Dwa Bhumi, Bughal, Scared Alpine Meadows, West Bengal, Menthal, Hairagatang, Johara, Savitharand, Santhi, Buthan. Topic number 8.7.3.2 Threat to the scared groups. The threat vary from the one region to another on and even from one group to other, but the common threat identified are disappearance of the traditional belief system which are fundamental to the concept of the scared groups. These systems are the regional are the considered merry superstition. Scared groups in many parts of the country have been destroyed due to the rapid urbanization and the development intervention. Many groups are suffering due to the Sanskritization of the transformation of the primitives from the natural worship into the formal temple worship. Invasion by the exotic weeds such as Eutropium, Orydium, Latentium, Camara, and Falcipians. Georification is a serious threat to some groves. pressure due to the increasing livestock and the fuel wood collection. Topic number 8.8, biosphere reserves. Biosphere reserve are the learning place of the for sustainable development. They are the site for testing indisciplinary approaches to undertaking and managing changes and the interaction between the social and ecological system, including conflict prevention and the management of biodiversity. They are places that provide local solutions for the global changes. Biosphere reserve are including terrestrial, marine, and the coastal ecosystem. Each side of the prominent solution in concealing the conservation of the biodiversity within the sustainable use. Biosphere reserve are the nominated by the national government and they remain under the sovereign jurisdiction of the state where they are located. Biosphere reserve and designed designated under the intergovernmental MAB program by the Director General of the UNESCO. So following the decision of the MAB International Coordination Council MAB-ICC, their status is internationally recognized. Biosphere reserves involve the local communities and all interested stakeholders in planning and the management. They integrated three main functions. First, conservation of biodiversity and the cultural diversity. Second, economic development, that is socio-cultural and the environmental sustainability. Third, logistic support underpinning the development through the research and monitoring, education and training. These three functions are the pursued through the biosphere reserve three main zones. First, 8.1, 8.8.1 coral areas. It comprises a strictly protected zones that contribute to the conservation of the landscape, ecosystem, species, and genetic variation. Topic number 8.8.2 buffer zones. It's surrounded by adjoined the core areas and is used for activities compatible with the sound ecological practices that can be reinforced with scientific researches, monitoring, and training and education. Topic number 8.8.3 transitional area. The transitional area is where communities fosters socio-culturally and ecological sustainable economic and the human activities. The main characteristic of the biosphere reserves are the achieving the three interconnected functions are conservation, development, and logistic support, outpacing traditional confined conservation zones through the appropriate zoning schemes, combining core protecting areas with the zones with sustainable development is foresting by the local dwelling and the enterprises with the often highly innovative and the participative governance system focusing on the multi-stakeholder approaches with a particular emphasis on the involvement of local communities in management, fostering a dialogue for conflict resolution of the natural resources use, integrating culture and biological diversity, especially the role of the traditional knowledge in the ecosystem management, demonstrating sound sustainable development practicing and the policies based on the research and the monitoring acting as site of excellence for education and training. Topic number 8.4 criteria for the designation for the BR in India. A site that must contain effective protecting and the minimal distributed core area value of the nature conservation. The core area should be typical of the biogeographical unit and the large enough to sustain viable population representing all trophic level in the ecosystem. The management authority to ensure the involvement of corporation of the local community to bring the variety of the knowledge and the experience to link biodiversity conservation and the socio-economic development while managing and the containing and the conflict area populated to preservation of the traditional tribal of the rural modes of the living harmonious use of environment. Topic number 8.8.5 men and biodiversity MAB program is a intergovernmental scientific program that aims to establish scientific basis for the enhancement between the people and the environmental and include between it come sorry aims to establish sorry I just repeat the topic 8.8.5 men and the biosphere BMAB program. The MAB program is an intergovernmental scientific program that aims to establish scientific basis for enhancing the relationship between the people and their environmental. It combines the natural and the social science with a view of to improving human livelihood and safeguarding natural and managed ecosystem, thus promoting innovative approaches to economic development that is socially and culturally appropriate and the environmental suitable. UNESCO's intergovernmental structure provide MAB with the framework framework to help national government support the planning and the implementation of the research and the training programs with the technical assessment assistance and scientific advice. Participating countries establishment MAB National Committee. The agenda of the MAB program is defined by the main governing body, the International Coordination Council. MAB, the council consists of the 34 members of the state elected by the UNESCO General Conference. The council elected the chair of the five vice person from each of the UNESCO geopolitics region. MAB secretariat is based on the UNESCO division of the ecological and the art sciences. MAB is funded through the regulator budget of the at UNESCO and mobilize fund interest of the guaranteed by the member of the state. Bilateral and multilateral sources and extra budgetary funds are provided by the countries, the private sector and the private institution. MAB related to the activities or the nationally financed the program that can be grant seed funding to assist countries and developing project and funding to the secure appropriate partnership contribution. Topic number 8.8.6, World Network of the Biosphere Reserve, WNVR. The World Network of the Biosphere Reserves are the of the MAB program consist of the dynamic interaction network of the site of the excellence. It fosters the harmonious integration of the people and the nature for sustainable development through participatory dialogues, knowledge sharing, poverty reduction, and the human well-being contribution to the 2030 agenda and the sustainable development goals (SDGs). Accordingly, network is one of the main international tools to develop and the implementing sustainable development approaches in the wide array of contexts. The World Network of the Biosphere Reserve promote North-South and the South-South collaboration and represent a unique tool for international cooperation through sharing of knowledge exchange, experience building capacity, and promoting best practices. Biosphere Reserve of India. Topic number 8.9, Biodiversity Heritage Sites. Biodiversity Heritage Site (BHS) are the well-defined areas that are unique ecological strategy, ecosystem, terrestrial, coastal, and the inland water and the marine, having rich biodiversity comprising of any one or more of the following component. Richness of the wild as well as domesticated species or intra-specific category, high endism, the presence of the rare threatened species ketone species of evolutionary significance, wild ancestor and domestic species or their varieties, past eminence of the biological component represented by the fossil bed and having a significant cultural, ethical, and aesthetic value are the important for the maintenance of the cultural diversity with or without a long historical or of human association with them. Under Biological Diversity Act 2002 BDA and the state government in the consulting with local bodies may notified in the official uh, gazetted area of the biodiversity important of the biodiversity heritage site BHS. The state government is consulting with the central government. It may be the framework rule for the management and conservation of BHS. The state government shall frame for the compensation or rehabilitation any person or the section of the people economically affected by such notification. Topic number 8.9.1, the criteria for identification of VHS accordingly. Areas having any of the following characteristic may qualify for inclusion as VHS. Areas that contain a music of the natural, semi-natural, and the man-made habitat which together contain a significant diversity of the life form. Areas that contain significant domesticated biodiversity component and or represented agro ecosystem and the ongoing agriculture practices that sustain this diversity. Areas that contain significant from a biodiversity point of view as also the important cultural spaces such as a scared group tea or sites or rather large communities conserved areas including very small ones that offer refuge to or corridors for threatened and endemic fauna and fauna such as community conserved area or the urban greens and the wetland. All kind of the legal and land uses whether government communities or private land could be considered under the above category. As far as possible, those site may be considered which are the non-coveted under protected area network under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 as amended. An area provided habitat aquatic and terrestrial for the seasonal mitigation species for feeding and and breeding areas that are maintained as preservation plot by the research wing for the forest department. Biodiversity heritage site reason and importance. Norla Tamand Groves, Bangalore, it popular believed to be a relic of the Chola dynasty. Hurricane Chikmagalur, the area has a unique solar vegetation and grassland, and the link with the adjoining Bandras Wildlife Sanctuary and the Yamadoda Tiger Reserve, and the serving as a wildlife corridor between the Kudremukha and the Bhadra Life Sanctuary, Wildlife Sanctuary. University Science Bangalore Ambargoda of GKVK Agricultural Campus Region Bangalore. I just repeat the University of Science because the some disturbance is occurring here. University Sciences of GKVK Agricultural Campus Bangalore. The GKVK campus is considered one of the greenest area in Bangalore. The Bangalore Amargunda Shimoga. It is located between Saravanti Wildlife Sanctuary and the some Vesara Wildlife Sanctuary. It is the solar vegetation which is primitive vegetation in the Western Ghat, and also have green grassland glory of the Alafali. Gadchiroli, Maharashtra. It is reserved forest being preserved as a natural forest having biological, ethnical, and historical values. Tonglu VHS under the Darjeeling Forest Division, Dr. 3 BHS under the Darjeeling Forest Division, the Tonga BHS under the Darjeeling Forest Division, Darjeeling, West Bengal. It is a medical plant conservation areas. The dot 3 BHS under the Darjeeling Forest Division, Darjeeling, West Bengal. It is a medical plant conservation area. Dialing Village, Tamlong, Manipur. Uh, Amareenpur Lake, Hyderabad, Telangana, man-made lake, and was constructed during the reign of the Ibrahim Qutub Shah, which ruled kingdom of Golconda between 1550 to 1518. World Heritage Site (WHS) at a World Heritage Site is a landmark of area of the legal protection by the International Convention Administration by the United National Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization (UNESCO). The World Heritage Site are designed by the UNESCO for having cultural, historical, scientific, or other form of significance. The site are judged to contain cultural and natural heritage around the world considered to be outstanding value or to humanity. The site are intended for practical conservation or the prosperity which otherwise would be subject to the risk from the human and the animal transference. Unmonitored, uncontrollable, unrestricted across the threat from the local administration negligence. Sites are demarcated by the UNESCO as the protected zones. The list is maintained by the International World Heritage Program administration by the UNESCO World Heritage Committee, composed by the 21 state parties that are elected by their general assemblies by assessing place as the World Heritage Site. UNESCO want to help to pass them on the future generation. A listed site gain international recognition and legal protection and can obtain fund from among the other World Heritage Fund to facilitate its conservation under the certain condition. Topic number 8.10.1 criteria for the World Heritage Site unite until the end of the 2004. The World Heritage Site were selected on the basis of its cultural and the natural criteria. With the adaptation of the revised operation guidelines for the implementation of the World Heritage Site Convention, only set of 10 criteria exist to represent masterpiece of human creation genius to exhibit an important interchange of the human values or the lifespan of the time within a cultural area of the world. On the development in the agriculture or the technological movement, art, town planning, and the landscape design to be bear unique or at least exceptional testimony to the culture traditional or to the cultural within the living or which has been departed to be an outstanding example of a type of the building agricultural or technological assem- uh, ensembles or the landscape which illustrated significant stages as in human history. To be an outstanding example of the traditional human settlement, land use or the sea use, which is represented of a cultural or the cultures or human interaction with an environmental, especially when it with the environmental, especially when it has become vulnerable under the impact of irreversible change, to be directly or tangibly associated with the event of the living traditional with it, idea or with belief with artistic and literary work of outstanding universal significance. The committee considered that the criteria should be preferably be used in conjunction with the other criteria to contain superlative natural phenomena or area to exceptional natural beauties and aesthetic importance to be outstanding example representing major stages of the earth historic, including the record of the life is significant ongoing geological process in the development of the landform and significant geomorphic or the physiographic feature to be outstanding example of representing significance on ongoing ecological and biological process in the evolution and the development of the terrestrial, freshwater, or coastal, and the marine ecosystem and communities of the plant and the animal to contain the most important significance a natural habitat of the or in situ conservation of the biological diversity, including those containing threatening species of outstanding universal value from the point of view the science of the conservation protection, the protection management authenticity of and integration property are also important considerations since 1992 the significant interaction between the people and the natural environment have been recognized as a cultural landscape. The important word areas IB is the word excellence indicator of the ecosystem health. IBA program of Wildlife International aim to identify, monitor, and protect a global network of IBA conservation of the World Bird Association biodiversity. The IVA serve as a conservation areas for protection of the bird at the global, regional, or sub-regional level according to BirdLife International designations of the IVA is based on the standardized criteria, namely hold significant number of the one of the more globally threatened birds specified to be of a set of sites together hold a suite of the restriction are range specific biomes, restricted species, and the have exceptionally large number of mitigatory or contributory birds. The IBS contain a range of habitat such as wetland, mudflat, and the microhabitation in biodiversity. The hotspot grassland, scrubbed land, making themselves excellent indicator of biodiversity richness. The Bombay Natural History Society of the and Wildlife International have identified 467 IBAs in India. Islam and Rahmani 2004 for 40% of the IBA fall outside the protected area network and thus form an important tool of the landscape level conservation planning. एंड अब हमारा जो चैप्टर था वो कंप्लीट होता हुआ और लिसनिंग के लिए धन्यवाद.